everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to write 10 lines on technology. Technology is the application of knowledge to create tools, systems, and solutions. It has revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and live. From smartphones to the internet, technology connects people globally. Innovations like artificial intelligence and robotics are shaping the future. Medical technology saves lives through advanced treatments and diagnostic tools. Transportation technology has made travel faster, safer, and more efficient. Renewable energy technology offers sustainable solutions to environmental challenges. Educational technology enhances learning experiences in classrooms and beyond. Social media platforms allow instant sharing of information and ideas. Technology is constantly evolving, driving progress and shaping the world we inhabit. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.